Welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about laptop overheating, what causes it, and how you can keep your device cool. First, let's look at the signs of overheating. If your laptop is running too hot, you might notice unexpected shutdowns or sluggish performance. Proper ventilation is crucial. Ensure that your laptop's air vents are not blocked, allowing for clean airflow. Using a cooling pad can significantly enhance your laptop's cooling capabilities. Position it correctly for the best results. Dust accumulation can trap heat. Regularly clean your laptop's internals to keep it running smoothly. Choose a cool, well-ventilated space for your laptop. Avoid using it on beds or couches where airflow is restricted. Adjusting your laptop's power settings can help reduce heat production. Choose energy-saving modes when possible. Utilize software tools to monitor your laptop's temperature. This helps in identifying potential overheating issues. If overheating continues, hardware upgrades like better cooling fans or thermal paste can improve performance. To wrap it up, keeping your laptop cool requires attention to ventilation, regular maintenance, and appropriate usage. Thanks for watching our tips.